Hello. Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, purple color, brown color, sky blue color, orange color, dark blue color, red color, black color, pink color, dark green color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. Purple color. A for aeroplane. A. Dark green color. B for banana. B. Dark blue color. C for cake. C. Sky blue color. D for doll. D. Orange color. E for egg. E. Pink color. F for flowers. Let's learn to count some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Red color. Number 1. Number 1. Yellow color. Number 2. Number 2. Sky blue color. Number 3. Number 3. Purple color. Number 4. Number 4. Orange color. Number 5. Number 5. Dark green color. Number 6. Number 6. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.